yeah, see? Andre! Woo! Andre, where are we? See? Wow, nice view, Andre.
Not scary.
Not scary.
Well,
Andre,
I
huh?
have fear of heights, you know.
That's okay. I mean, I do too, but then I just don't think about
Jessica,
it.
it's so nice. You see? You
scary.
look around you. You see?
That is scary.
Look around you. Just try to look around you. You see? It's so beautiful. The view.
Yeah.
Andre, do you like it? Huh? Say, hello guys.
Hello guys.
How are you there?
How are you there?
I'm riding a cable car
I'm riding a table car.
here at Banff National Park.
We both have a fear of heights.
Don't go up. Mommy,
Oh my
don't go
God.
up. I agree to that.
I know, we're on top of the mountain. We're so high up, okay?
What if we fall down?
No, well, it's really secure.
Okay.
Okay, just.
Well, the fact it rides on a wire is
Andre,
scary.
he's there.
What?
Say hello.
Why is it freaking? Oh my god.
Don't worry about it, okay? Everything's gonna be good.
Mommy,
Oh, you
somebody
see-
eating.
Yep, you see those hikers down there? Yep, they're hiking up on the mountains, and then they ride on these gondolas to go down to the ground.
Nah, I have to take another one back
Nope.
down.
Yeah,
No,
it's gonna go round.
no.
No, but going down, it's gonna go fast, okay?
Hello everyone. Dito kami ngayon sa cable car here at Banff National Park, Alberta, Canada.
Oh Jesus!
Very nice view.
I shouldn't have looked behind. Don't look behind you. Whatever happens, okay? Just look at Andre's face, and everything's gonna be good.
No way.
Holy God!
No way.
Well, yeah, me and Ate Cheska have this fear of. No, I'm not looking.
Okay, that was so scary.
Oh
my God!
Oh, that's an Antarctica! That's so creepy!
That's so
Andre, Jessica. Andre. Ayan sila Joy, oh. Oh, video. Kanina pa to. Andre. Jessica, you go with mommy. Beside mommy. Hello guys, nandito kami sa Banff National Park. Lalakad-lakad. Okay ba kayo dyan? So nandito kami ngayon sa tuktok ng Alps. Sobrang lamig, mahangin. So sa mga gustong makapunta rito, punta kayo dito ng mga spring, after ng winter, spring to summer. Spring and then summer, yan, magandang panahon yan. Kasi medyo mainit, may araw siya pero malamig pa rin. Kasi naman pag winter puro ice dito, puro snow. So hindi mo ma-appreciate yung nature. So pag spring, yan, malamig pa, may mga snow pa, but maliwanag na yung sikat ng araw. So mas maganda na yung mga view. Pag summer naman, tunaw na lahat ng snow. So depende. Ako naman gusto ko yung medyo 50-50. May snow ng konti at maaraw. So ito yung family ko. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung ilang feet to. Siguro more than 10,000 feet yata to. Above sea level. So ayan, sayang lang hindi ko ito maano. Pwede ba itong so see the view at the back. Yan, ganda. Ganda oh, yun oh. Natakot. baka madala tayo ng hangin dito. Lakas ng hangin. Woo! Lamig pa. So sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta ng Banff, ayan, tayo naman napakaganda. Ano, pagod na? Kaya pa? Nakakalahati pa lang yata tayo eh. Hello guys!
Oh, this is good spot.
Ito, napakaganda ng view, oh, yan. Nasa likod ko pa, yan. 360. Ganda.
Ay, putyang tapang nila bro.
Nakatakot yan. Baka mamaya, madulas ka dyan. Ako. Hindi ka nang mabubuhay yan. Matay ka na. Ang tapang ng dalawa sa likod, oh. Grabe. wala pang ano yan, wala pang supportive gear yan. Eh, mga tinatawag na Daredevil, oo, yung willing matay.
Gawa lang yung gustong gawin. Mataas din, oh.
Ayun, grabe. Ano yan?
Daddy, bigyan mo kay guys natin niya.
Kita nyo yung dalawa doon? Yan. Grabe. Kita nyo naman, nahulog yun dito. Oh. Sus. Ewan ko na lang kung mabubuhay pa yung mga yan. Guys, dito na ako sa hindi pa tuktok, ayun pang tuktok sa taas. So just like to share with you, inspire everyone na hindi mo nakakapunta dito. I invite you, maganda dito sa Banff National Park here in Alberta, Canada. It's my first time also here. The best time to come here is after winter, so around spring or summer. Yes, because it's already a mixture of sunny day na may mga konting snow. Hindi naman konti, may mga snow pa. Nakikita nyo naman yun. Hindi pa siya tanaw lahat talaga. Pag summer naman, talagang tirik-tirik yung araw. Maganda yung view. Very green siya. Maganda yung nakita ng mga puno na talagang nagsipag-bulaklakan. Ngayon, wala. Ayan. Super. Akit tayo sa taas. Tara, muna tayo sa taas, guys. Ayan. Akit tayo. Let's go. Akyat. Hello guys. Pipicture tayo. Guys, I'll be back. Mag-picture taking muna kami dito, ha. Hello guys.
Cheska. It's a video. Yeah. Come on.
No.
Hello guys. So in continuation of my previous vlog, ito pababa na kami. So hello guys, ito na naman in continuation of my previous vlog. So pababa na kami. Ito malakas po rin ang hangin. Napakalamig. Yan. Nice view. Ito yung dinaanan namin kanina. So balik lang tayo pababa.
Viewing back up the top.
So currently we are still at the top of the world. Ito kasama ko yung anak ko. Ayan, napakabagal. Baby footsteps. Parang wala ng tao ah. Parang ako na lang yata ang tao dito. O kami na lang. Kaya yan, napakaraming tao dito kanina. So now is around lunchtime. So yung mga tao nagsipagbabaan na para mananghalian. Ayan. Sobrang lakas ng hangin, guys. Actually, currently, ang temperature is negative 2 degrees lang yata or negative 1 degree. Kanina kasi pagtingin ko mga around there, pero nagbabago-bago. Pero nagpapalamig lalo is yung hangin. So let's say example, if the temperature is let's say 0 degrees. So naga times 3 siya. So parang nagiging negative 3, negative 5. Yan. Sobrang lamig. Ayan. Taas. Ayan, malapit tayo. So ayan guys, bakit na tayo ulit sa taas. So punta kami ng roof deck, guys. Yeah, look at the view. So beautiful. Amazing view. Yun. I'm here at Banff. So ito, pababa na kami. We're going back on the ground level. And